Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening messages and triggering Apple Intelligence. This gives the system access to recent conversation context. Once done, grant Siri, contacts, and photos permissions so suggestions use relevant data. Make sure to pick a conversation or start a new thread now. That immediately lets the model analyze tone and content. You'll see suggested replies and draft outlines appear. Use the AI icon to toggle settings, and note that enabling context improves personalization and timeliness of responses. Next, refine what the AI offers. Tap any suggestion to edit and shape tone, length, or details before sending. You should use quick prompts, say short reply or add meeting time, to steer output toward your intent. Because Apple Intelligence pulls from email, calendar, and attachments, make sure to include or exclude those sources in settings for accuracy. Once you adjust a draft, confirm the names, dates, and facts. This prevents accidental errors and keeps replies on message and credible. Finally, send the edited suggestion or generate another alternative until it fits your voice. You should review recent message history to confirm context and delete any AI drafts that contain errors. If suggestions seem off, troubleshoot by toggling permissions, restarting messages, or resetting Apple Intelligence preferences. That often clears stale context. Make sure you reauthorize any needed sources and then test with a quick message. If problems persist, limit sources temporarily to isolate the issue and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.